Hello lovelies, welcome back to Evelyn's cooking channel. Today we are making this chicken and broccoli sauce. So let's get started. I've got chicken, I've got broccoli, carrot and garlic. So first we are going to cut up our chicken. We want them very thinly sliced and I'll show you how I do that. Just going with your knife almost flat on the chicken and then make a cut. So this is how thin it looks. This is how you want it to be because we are not going to cook it for a long time. And by the way, I am using chicken breast. If this is your first time here, you are warmly welcome. If you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button, the red button below the video, and subscribe and share the videos, and also click the notification bell so you don't miss any video from me. So now chicken is ready. We are going to season this a little bit. This is cornstarch. The reason why I'm doing this is to retain the moisture in the chicken breast. Now I just added some soy sauce, just about 1 teaspoon. Now mix this and set aside for about 10 to 20 minutes. Wash your hands thoroughly and come back and chop the rest of the vegetables. So this is my garlic. I'm going to peel and chop. Just be careful with your knife. Chop it nicely. The more the garlic, the better. So if you don't mind, add some more. This has been one of my son's favorite, and trust me, this is a bomb. Now get your broccoli and separate them like this. Very easy, isn't it? Looks like a tree. It's beautiful. And then the big ones, you want to cut them into halves or the size you want them to be. And that's it. And if you don't want to throw the stem away, you can also slice it and add it to your broccoli. I'll show you how. This is it. You can slice it thinly and add it to your sauce, or you can add it to your compost. Now you're going to slice your carrot too, any size or any shape you want, okay? Just do it like this. As for me, I'm going that way. And it's all done. So this is what we have now. Our broccoli and carrot, garlic, everything is chopped, and our chicken too is ready. I am making a slurry now, so I just added cornstarch to the water. I'm adding pepper, white pepper, and oyster sauce. So mix this and your slurry is ready. Now we are going to the stovetop to do our cooking. So now I have oil in my pan. I am going to fry the chicken. Like I said, because we slice them really thinly, it doesn't take much time for it to cook. So try to separate them as much as you can. And as soon as it turns all white, your chicken is ready. So just look at this, it's almost there. So flip it and try to separate. Give it a minute or so, and the chicken is all done. So take the chicken off fire and we'll continue with our sauce, okay? Now add the carrot to the pot. We are going to stir fry this for about 30 to 40 seconds. Less than a minute. Then we'll add the rest of the ingredients, okay? This is really good. I'm adding the broccoli and the garlic. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to add half cup of water. Give it a stir. Now cover it and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Look at this beautiful sauce that we are making here. Now add your chicken back to the pot. Stir, and don't forget your slurry. That is going to thicken the sauce. Give it a stir. Now taste and adjust the seasoning. I think I needed a little bit more salt, so I'm sprinkling a little bit of salt to it. And your sauce is done. As easy as that, right? It's perfect. So let's serve. You can serve this over rice or even mashed potatoes. And look at that beautiful and thick sauce that we have around this. It is a must try. Please try this. It's really good. Chicken good. That's how my son calls it. Thank you so much for watching. And until I come your way again, this is your girl Evelyn. Have a wonderful week and don't forget to subscribe.